In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test pre-built rules in Asana after setup, 5 minutes. If you've just added a rule to your project and want to be sure it behaves exactly as expected, this walkthrough will take you from setup to verification with a few practical tips along the way. Start by signing into Asana and opening the project where you want the rule to live. In the project header, open the Customize panel, then go to the Rules area. This is your command center for automation. Choose Add to browse the library of pre-built rules. These are ready-made automations for common workflows. So pick one that matches your need, like moving tasks when a status changes, assigning work when a due date is set, or updating a custom field when a task is added to a section. Click the rule you want, then add it to the project. Right after adding, you'll see options to adjust the rule. This is a great moment to fine-tune details, confirm the trigger, set or edit any conditions, and choose the exact action the rule should take. For example, you might specify a particular section, assignee, or custom field value. Save your changes when the configuration looks right. Before you test, pause and make sure you clearly understand the trigger and the action. The trigger is what starts the automation. The action is what Asana will do. Read the rules description in the editor so you know exactly which event needs to happen and whether any conditions must be met. Now it's time to perform the trigger in the project. Create or edit a task to mirror the exact scenario the rule requires. If the trigger is task marked complete, actually complete a test task. If it's task added to a section, move a task into that specific section. Be precise. Rules only fire when the trigger and conditions match. Watch for the automated action to occur. It may take a moment, check the task's activity, or look for changes like a section move, an assignment, or a field update. If nothing happens, revisit, customize, and refine the rule. Adjust the trigger, tweak conditions, or change the action until the result aligns with your workflow. Avoid creating loops between multiple rules, and consider temporarily pausing other automations while testing. To keep your live projects clean, consider creating a dedicated test project. Add and verify rules there, then replicate the working setup in your active project. When your rule behaves perfectly, you're done and ready to automate with confidence.